before this video, before this video begins, I just want to say, for this video plus 3 other videos, I've been talking really fast, and I'm sorry if it's kind of hard to understand me while talking this fast. The reason I'm talking this fast is when I was recording these videos, I currently had something I was going to do literally 5 minutes after I recorded 3 plugin tutorials. So I had to rush through all of them. So if it's too hard to understand, just let me know on Discord, and I'll go ahead and remake them so they're easier to understand. But like always, you can join our plugin support Discord to get support with any of them at BGHDDevelopment.com/Discord. The link is also available in the video description, so you can go check that out. Otherwise, enjoy this plugin tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hello everybody, welcome back to another plugin tutorial brought to you by BGHDDevelopment. I've been doing 3 of these in a row so far, and my voice is getting tired. I am head dev Noodles from BGHDDevelopment. I make most of the plugins over there. We do have a few other developers that work with us to create the best quality plugins you can find on MC Market or Spigot anytime, anywhere. So today we're going to be taking a look at LiteBansGUI. This is a punishment GUI plugin, which goes along with the plugin LiteBans. It is a free plugin and open source, so you can go ahead and find these online at Spigot or MC Market. They're available at both of the sites. So we're going to take a look at that today. You do require for this plugin the premium plugin off Spigot LiteBans. You can only buy it from the official link on Spigot. If you buy it from any illegal source, this plugin will not work with it, or it shouldn't work with it. I would recommend supporting developers and buying resources from where they are supposed to belong. So we're going to take a quick look by just the main command of the plugin, which is /punish and a username. It opens up this nice little GUI, which is fully customizable in the configure files, which we'll take a look at after the main in-game look. So, this is based off of Mindplex's plugin Punish GUI, which was the most requested one. You can change any of these things in the config file. You got your chat offenses, general offenses, client. You can customize all of these. All the times and everything can be configured. So if you want to set a warning, it said you have been warned for swearing stuff. Whatever you said in the config, you'll be warned for, pretty much. You can see severe advertising or something like that. And you can see everything that you get warned for. So let's say if I get muted for 1 hour, it says the exact same thing. You've been muted by Noodles for blah, 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 blah. You can configure if you want these messages to send or not, or anything. So you can see it sends to LiteBans what the ban should be, and it sends. It also uses the username who punished, so it's not run by console. So it's run by the person in-game who's punishing you. So you can always see who's been punished and who's punished the person, even when using our plugin. So we're going to take a look at the config files now. That's pretty much it in-game. It's very lightweight in-game. All you got to do is throw it in, give the permissions, it works. We're going to go check out the plugin, the configure files now to show you how much of the plugin's configurable for you to enjoy. Alright, so we're in the first configure file. We have about 3 configure files for this plugin alone. Very nice. You got your update notification, which lets you know if you have an update available. It will pop up in chat if you have the command LiteBansGUI.update. You got your main command, which is punish.space the player username. You can use that. You can give the permission with punish.use. Then you got your main ones. Your prefixes, your no messages, your permission, your no player, offline player. You can change all of these to fit any language you have, anything you have. Then you got your permissions. You need to give these along with your LiteBans permissions. So the player needs to have both of these permissions, like this permission and the LiteBans.permute, to be able to use that in the GUI. If they do not, they will have a no permissions message come in. These could be given to only trusted staff members, and you can figure out who you want to give it to on your server, but I recommend only giving it to trusted staff members because they can do some permanent damage. So we're going to open this up, and we're going to check our other files, which is the banreason.yml, which is a little longer. This is for all the punishments themselves. You got your messages, your reasons why. So you got your messages that are sent to the player when they're muted or warned, and you got what they're actually muted and warned for. You got also for the ones that have times, you can set the punishment duration. This is all in LiteBans punishment duration. So for LiteBans, you would normally type /ban the player name. So let's say Noodles 1 hour for hacks or something. For this, it would say all you have to do is copy this, which you normally type, into here, and that will mute them for 1 hour for light spam, advertising, harassment, light abuse, accusations. You can configure all of this for every single thing you see in the GUI here in the configure file. Also, if you are wondering, can I change the things in the GUI? Of course you can. We've made sure of that. You can change the type of the item. You can change the location where in the GUI the item is. You can change the name of the item, and you can change the lore of the item. So technically, you can change everything about those things for the entire, all of the things that are inside of the GUI. We've made this so it's 100% sure customizable to any language you have. And of course, like I said earlier, if we go ahead and go to the Spigot page for this plugin, go to the Spigot page for this plugin and go ahead and click LiteBansGUI, which I think I just passed. There it is. This is open source, so you can go to github.com/BGHDDevelopment/LiteBansGUI, and you can get the code for this. Last update was 28 days ago, but there are some coming. Hint, hint, hint. So you can check out the code for this and what we use to code it, etc., etc. So that's all available in the description below. You can get all the links to the plugin pages and all of our plugins, along with our link to our support Discord, where you can get support for any of the plugins that have been mentioned in any of the BGHD videos. So, that is it for this plugin tutorial, keeping it short just like the other ones. I'm sorry I'm talking so fast. I've had a very long day, and I want to get these out and ready for the people who requested them. So, there we go. Have a nice day, everybody. Make sure to go check out all our plugins in the link below. If you have a request for a plugin, go ahead and join our Discord and just DM me or type it in request-plugins. My name is Noodles, the head developer over at BGHD Development, and I hope you guys like our plugins and check them out today.